Hi children, I am Nityavati. Welcome to Love Max. Today we are going to see 10th standard arithmetic progression exercise 1.3. Okay, so it is the going we have to see the 17th sum. Totally in your school children they have to plant the trees according to their class. If class 1 means 1 tree, class 2 means 2 tree, like that till class 12. You have to find out totally how many trees. Okay, there are 3 section is there, that is very important. Okay, so finally what answer you got, you just multiple with 3, that's all. So class 1 means 1 section, 1 tree, 2 means 2 tree, 3 means 3 tree, like that. Totally how many trees are there, you just want to find out. Okay, let us do the sums now. Arithmetic progression exercise 1.3. Okay, the question number is 17. If it is the first class means 1 tree, second class 2 means 2 tree, class 3 means 3 tree, class 4 means 4 tree, like that it will continue class 12. Okay, it is the arithmetic progression. So you have to find out first what is A is 1. Okay, what is D, second term minus first term, that also 1. L, last term also given. Okay, you just want to find sum of trees, that means Sn. What is Sn formula? L is there means n by 2 into A plus L. Okay, so n, now S12, 12 by 2 into what is A? 1. What is L? 12. So 12 by 2, 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 1 plus 2 is 13. 6 into 13 how much? 6 into 13 is 78. Okay, one each section, some of them finish the answer like this. No, the question 1 point is given, each class 3 section is there. Okay, we are find out in each class 1 section means what is the answer. 3 section means you just multiple the final, each class 3 section. Okay, so final answer 78 multiply 3. Are you understand? Each class 3 section means 78 multiply 3. What is the answer? 8 3s are 24, remaining 2, 7 3s are 21 and 2 23. Totally 234 trees. Okay, they plant totally 234 trees. You just want to write totally 234 trees they are plant. Okay, understand? Otherwise in another method how to do means, here only you just multiple with 3. Okay, so the sequence consider as 3 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 12s are 36. Now you want to find L, take as a 36 and A is 3, D is 3, like that. The same answer you got it. That's all. Is it clear children? Next sum, A and B, based on A as a center, one semicircle. Okay, semicircle means half circle. Then B like a spiral. Okay, it is rotate. Like this means you have to find out total length. What they are given, one semicircle A and B as a center. Then radii is what? 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, like this continue. What is the total length of the such spiral? Made up of 13 consecutive semicircle. How many semicircle? 13 consecutive semicircle. Okay, so we have to see 13 consecutive semicircle means how to do the sums now. Okay, let's do the sums now. So each circle like this one, like this, like this. Okay, so this is first 0.5 means next is 1, next is 1.5, next is 2, like that the radius are there. So we have to write 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, like that, the 13 circle. Okay, 13 rounds like that. But before we are going to see, if this is means one circle, if it is a circumference, okay, it is a circle circumference. Circle circumference formula is what? 2 pi r. Here semicircle means half, 2 pi r. Here only half circle means 2 cancel, only pi r. Semicircle is pi r. So pi value into radius value you just multiply each. So pi into 0.5, pi into 1, pi into 1.5, like that it is continue. So 0.5 means what is the meaning? 1 by 2. So 5 by 2 comma 5 comma 1.5 means 3 by 2. So 3 pi by 2 comma etc. it's going on. Okay. So in this, now it is the sequence. So what is in this sequence? What is A? A is 5 by 2. D. What is D? Second term minus first term. So 1 means what is the meaning? 2. 2 into pi, 2 pi. 2 pi minus pi. 2 pi minus pi is 1 pi. Pi by 2. A also pi by 2. D also pi by 2. N is how much? 13. N is how much? 13. Okay. Now we have to find out the values. Now we have to find out the values. Write Sn formula. Sn is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So n is how much? 13. 13 by 2 into 2a is 5 by 2. Okay. Plus 13 minus 1. D also 5 by 2. Okay. Next we are going to see this. Thirteen by 2 into this 2 and this 2 cancel, pi, plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into pi by 2. So 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. So 13 by 2 into pi plus 6 into pi, 6 pi. So 1 pi plus 6 pi is what? 7 pi. So 13 by 2 into 7 pi. Pi value in this question they are used to mention as 22 by 7, because in pi value we clearly knowing, question also they are mentioning. So 13 by 2 into 7 into 22 by 7. This 7 and this 7 is cancelled. 1 2 is 2, 11. Now 13 into 11 is 143. Each they are given centimeter. So the total centimeter is 143. Okay, is it clear? Only you have to find the radius. This is the circle. So we can't take out the radius. So that circumference, one circle means this circumference. Half circumference formula is what? 2 pi r. So that half is only pi r. Pi into this radius, pi into this radius, pi into this radius, continue like 13 terms. Okay. So pi 0.5 means what is the meaning? 1 by 2. Okay, 1.5 means 3 by 2. Like that you just multiply, find a value, d value, n is given, substitute and simplify. You can get the answer. Next sum, 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. We have to arrange 200 logs like this. The last bottom is there, bottom row it is 20, then 19, then 18, then 17, like that it is reducing. Okay. So, how many rows are there in 200 logs? How many rows we can fix all 200 logs? So what is the meaning? Number of rows. You should find out n. Okay. Totally 200. This is Sn. Okay. This is reducing manner. You have to find out A and D. Okay. This is the 19th question. First 20, next reducing 1, next 18, next 17, like that it will continue till 200. Till 200. Okay. So in this sequence you just want to find what is A. A is 20. What is D? Second term minus first term. Smaller number minus larger number means minus, as usual do the subtraction. Okay. N only we don't know. Sn is equal to 200. Sn is 200. That means sum of all that. Okay. So you just write the formulas and substitute. What is Sn formula? Each and every question you write the formula. It is helpful to you. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now I need Sn. N only I don't know. Keep n like that. N by 2 into 2. A is what? 20 plus n minus 1. D is what? Minus 1. Okay, this Sn is what? How much they are given? 200. Okay, next 200 is equal to n by 2 2 into 20, 40. Plus into minus, minus, 1 into n, n, minus into minus, plus 1. Okay. Next, this n here, it is a division. Opposite side of equal, it is comes as multiplication. Now this n you just multiply here. Okay. So what should come? 40 plus 1 is 41. You just replace the places, no problem. N into 40, 40n. 40n minus n square plus n, then equal to 200 into 2 is 400. 40n plus 1 is minus n square plus 41n minus 400 equal to 0. Okay, it is a quadratic equation. Minus don't want first, so multiply minus all together. So n square minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. Understand? Okay, because minus term don't want first. If you take first also, no problem, the answer will same. So both side multiplied minus 1. Okay, so now the signs are changes. Now it is a quadratic equation. You should find out the values. So multiply n squared. N squared, there is no coefficient, so only meaning is 1. 1 into 400, 400. The center you should write center minus 41. If I want to multiply two numbers, I want to get the value is 400, but the addition of, because it is a positive, it is the negative, means only type both numbers are negative. Okay, so if I add, I want to get 41. But if I multiply, I want to get 400. What are the two numbers possibility? You just want to think that two number. Okay. So what are the possibility? Means the only possibility 16 into 25. 16 into 25 is 400. But here negative means both are negative. Both are negative means add and write the same sign. When it is in the multiplication, minus into minus plus, 16 into 25, 400. Okay. Now n is equal to 2. Minus consider as plus. Minus consider plus, plus. If you get n as a one value means no problem. Maybe one is a whole number, one is a fraction, means you skip the fraction, you take as a whole number. But here both are whole number. So which is exactly n value means again you have to continue the sum. How to continue means you just want to find out a16 and a25. Okay, you have to find out a16 and a25. Just a16 means what is the meaning? A plus 15d. Okay, so what is a value? 20 plus 15, d is minus 1. So 20 minus 15, that is equal to 5. A16 is 5. Okay, next you have to find out a25. So 20 plus 24d. 24 into minus 5. So 20 plus into minus, minus 120. So the answer will be minus 100. The answer will be minus 100. Okay, so it is just like a logs. It is just like a logs. It never comes the minus value. So a25 is not possible. Only 16 is the possible, the positive value. What is the meaning means if you continue this the log like this in the 16th row. Okay, 16th row 5 logs. Totally 200 logs. How to arrange means this is the first row, second row, third row, like that 16th row 5 logs will be there. That is the meaning. So number of row is 16. Number of row is 16. Why a is not 25? You are understanding. The answer will come on negative. Arrangement logs not come as a negative. So you take as the positive value. This 16 and 5, what is the meaning means number of row is 16. How many in that 16th row, how many logs are there means 5 logs. This is the meaning. Okay, are you understand children? Just see the ones you can understand very well. Okay. Next question. Next sum, one race is happened, the potato race. Okay, what is that race means? One basket is there, Okay, in this basket 5 meter distance one potato is there, is a potato race. Then 3 each, again all this potato 3 meter distance. Okay, totally like this 10 potatoes are there. Totally like 10 potatoes are there. What you have to do means you want to go and pick one potato, then get back, keep it into the basket. Then you have to move, then you have to come and keep it into the basket. The question is totally how many meter you want to travel. Okay, so what is the distance? If you want to complete this race means what is the distance you have to cover. Okay, so how to do the sums means, first you have to find out the sequence. Where it is the first potato? 5 meter. What is the next potato? In this 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Next is what? 8 plus 3 is 11. Then 14 up to etc. 10 potatoes. Okay, totally 10 potatoes are there. So first in this sequence A is what? 5. Then D is what? 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. So N is what? 10. That's all. You have to find out the Sn. Sn means, Sn what is the formula? A plus N minus 1 into D. Is it Sn formula? No, it is An formula. So you have to find, right, N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, so yes, 10. 10 by 2. So 2 into 5 plus 10 minus 1 into D value is what? 3. Next 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. 5 into 2 5s are 10 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9 into 3 is 27. These are easy steps. Don't want to do too much of steps now. So we have to find out the next. 5 into 10 plus 27 is 37. 5 into 10 plus 27 is 37. So 5 into 37 is how much? 35, remaining 3, so 185. Okay, is the question is over? No. What is the meaning means, one basket is there. If you travel 5 kilometer, you can pick one potato, but you have to drop the basket again. So this 5 meter, this 5 meter, totally 10 meters are there. 8 next potato in 8 meter also, you just travel 8 meter, then you have to come and keep it in the basket. So total is 16. So in this sequence you just multiple with 2. So that is not necessary to do. Final answer you just multiple with 2, because while going one, while coming one. Okay, so final answer will be, what is 370 meter. So 370 meter. I hope you are understand. Practice more sums. It is easy for you. Thank you.